Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's residential bollard lights. It includes a bag of screws, one product unit, First, remove the 3 mounting screws from the base of the product and set them aside safely. Then remove the bottom cover of the product. Place the product's base plate where you intend to install the product, mark the location, and drill holes. Screw the 3 expansion screws from the screw pack into the holes. Remove the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut from the middle too, one of the 3 expansion bolts. Then place the product's bottom cover on top. Reinstall all the retaining rings and caps from the 3 expansion bolts you just removed, following the order we specified. Connect the power cord on the product base to your push-in. Quick Connect terminal. Then place the main body of the product directly on top. Reinstall the 3 mounting screws from the base of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.